Hello everyone, it's Victoria Wilson here with a guided meditation for you. This one is about our connection with the earth. So just take a few minutes to settle down. Be aware of your feet on the floor and the weight of your body on the chair. And allow the eyes to close. Now be aware of the breath and allow it to slow and deepen just a little. Breathing in, imagine the breath going deeper through the body, right to the very centre of the earth, through layers of earth, through roots and rocks. Imagine your breath reaching the molten core of the earth. Now feel the warmth in the chest as you reach this place. Breathing out, exhale into the clouds and stars above. Boundless and free. Now breathe deeply in and out with the earth for a few moments. As you breathe, the space around you expands. Now sense yourself able to move freely up into the clouds. Above the clouds, up towards the sun and moon. Now allow yourself to float freely here above the earth. Looking down, you can see the crowns of big trees. You can see dolphins dancing across the ocean. You can see light kiss mountain tops and the luscious canopies of forest. You can float about to see all places at once. Snowy hills to tropical islands. Sunrise to sunset. Day and night all at once. You breathe in the earth's splendor, right up and out through the crown of your head. Breathing out, back down through the body and out the soles of your feet. In this expansive state, you can soar about. Breathing in wonder and breathing out gratitude. Breathing in, you inhale endless, fresh air and new life. Breathing out, you exhale old hurts of the earth and of your body. Breathing in, you feel your oneness with all life. Breathing out, you embrace the earth with love. And now, very gently, take a deep breath in and open your eyes again. Thank you, everyone.